Hello everybody, my name is Farmer Phil, and today, as you can see behind me, I'm mowing. And as you probably also noticed, I have a very wide angle, and that's because I'm after getting a GoPro Hero 3 Plus from my girlfriend for my birthday. So, I have that, and I'll just say thank you for getting me that. So, that's that. Sorry I didn't get a video up on Sunday. I was away and I was hoping I'd get done in the morning, but it took too long to get the calves done and I just didn't get around to it. I was planning on doing a video on the vintage silage harvesters we have and just go through them and do a bit of I had a plan, but I didn't get to do it at all. Just didn't get enough time. So hence I'm using this now to just do a quick video now for Wednesday, and I'm mowing, at the minute actually I'm mowing organic grass, you can call it, I suppose, for a farmer that's in organics, and there's a lot of red clover through it that you might be able to see there going through the bits of red and black. That's the red clover going through the moor. So this is the second cut in this field. It's alright, it's heavy enough now. It's not too light. I have seen a lot higher in the second cut. It actually seems to be working up fairly well. We have a lot of silage on this week. One third cut pit. We still have a bit of whole cropping to do for ourselves. We decided to whole crop another bit. We were planning on crimping some, but we decided then to dry cut some of it and whole crop the other part. So whole crop the company. My father's just done the last of the about 12 acres of spring barley. He's cutting the last of that at the minute. We have all the straw gathered bar that, and actually he went to turn out the last bit of straw that wasn't gathered, and he says there's absolutely nothing left, and he reckons that the storm alley blew it all away, or blew practically it all away. He reckons there ought to be 200 square bales on it, and we were hoping for nearly at least 80 or 90 round bales on it. That's how bad it is up on top of the hill, so we just didn't get it in time. But sure, however, you can't have it everywhere. But yeah, that's really all that's going on at home, where calves are doing well. We've had a bit of trouble with calves going back, but we had the vet out, and the vet reckons it's just the eating starting to go to the grass, and it's just they're not getting enough out of it. So we had to put in a few, give them hay and buy a locker crunch for them, and seem to get that fine now, but hopefully now we don't have too many of them having to go going. But we might get them back. It all depends on how they get on. So we'll definitely end up having hay outside regardless. So I don't think I'm much else to say. So as I was saying, there's a lot of silage on this week, a lot of bale, and I reckon there may be 500 bales to be made in the next couple of days. So my plan is, for Sunday's video, all going well, I plan on doing a video with the GoPro, growing and baling. It won't be like this, it will be, I suppose you could call it a cinematic one, different angles of that, of the fusion and the brake working together. So that is my plan, all going well, and hopefully I'll get that one done in the vintage silage harvest. Maybe on Sunday I'll have it for the following Wednesday. That's the plan. I'm trying to stick to it as best I can, so that's all I can do. That's all I can do. So I suppose that's really all I can talk about. No, I'm not much else. Busy as ever, a lot of story on the books. So I think I'll leave it at that now. If you have any comments, any suggestions, anything like that, please hit me down in the comments down below. That's it from me. Good luck.